Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Chromium-based web browser. First, you need to grasp Chromium's open-source foundation and its key components. Next, set up your development environment, ensuring all necessary tools and dependencies are installed. Finally, download the Chromium source code directly from its official repository to begin your project. Once you have the source, configure the build arguments to tailor your browser's specific features. This step is crucial for customization. Then, initiate the compilation process. Be aware this can take several hours depending on your system. If errors or warnings appear, meticulously resolve them to ensure a successful build. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like it. On another note, why not upgrade your clean game? The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Check the description below for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. After compilation, it's time to implement your custom features and modify the user interface to create a unique browsing experience. Next, thoroughly test your new browser for functionality, performance, and stability across various scenarios. Finally, debug and refine your code continuously to ensure a smooth, reliable, and enjoyable user experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.